Hello there, it's Benga from techwithbenga.com. Today I want to make a short tutorial on how to delete your Facebook page. Several people have kind of reached out to me in regards to them deleting their Facebook page, but they can't find the option of deleting their Facebook page. So I want to make a short tutorial about it. So to delete your Facebook page, let's say the page you're no longer using it also and you want to delete it, all you need to do is scroll to your Facebook app. By the bottom you see your profile. That your profile by the bottom. Maybe for Android you can see it at the top right, but for, let's say, for an iOS, you see the profile picture like at the bottom, so you can click on it. So after clicking on it, it takes you to this page. What you need to do is select the page you want to delete. It's either you clicking on these pages, then switching the account you want to select, or at the top you see a gear, as in these three dots by the top. You click on it to switch the profile. So this is the page you select the page you want to delete. So this is the page I want to delete. So if you see the menu icon by the bottom, this profile picture, it turns to the page I want to delete. All I have to do is click on it. Then after clicking on it, by the top you see a gear icon. All you need to do is click on the gear icon. Then it takes you to this page. You can also switch the profile from this page also if you want to, but we are not switching the profile. So all I need to do is click on page settings. So it takes me to this page. So all I need to do is click on the search, then search delete. So you see delete unblock page and information. I'll click on it. So it takes me to this page to delete or deactivate the account. Let's say you just want to temporarily keep the page, deactivate the page for a while. Then maybe later you reactivate. You can choose the deactivate. But for our scenario, we want to totally delete the page. So all you need to do is click on delete page. Then we click on continue. So it takes you to this page to, let's say, give Facebook why you wanted to delete the page and stuff like that. So maybe you choose any of the icon, but I won't be choosing. I will just click on continue. So the final step is for you to maybe download your information. Maybe on the page you have created some posts, you have created some things, and you want to maybe back them up, then download them. You can also do that. But for this scenario, I don't want to have those information. I just click on continue. Then it takes me to the step for me to fill in my password. After you fill in your password and you click on let me fill in my password. So if I click on continue, then the page will be deleted. I'll fill in the password, then I'll click on continue. Then I'll just click on delete page. Then that page has totally been deleted. So you have successfully deleted your page, and you can do that to as so many pages you want to if you want to. So let me show you that the page has been deleted. So if I scroll through all the pages here, I won't see that page anymore. So that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can use the comment section to write your question, and I will be available to answer any question. And if you like videos like this, you can like or subscribe to my page. Thank you. Peace out.